In this video, we're going to learn how to set up your GoDaddy business email to Gmail.
Having a professional business email is crucial for any entrepreneur, freelancer, or small business owner because it not only builds credibility with clients, but also streamlines communication across your team or business operations. Gmail, with its simple interface, powerful organizational tools, and accessibility across devices, makes it an ideal platform to manage all your emails in one place. By connecting your GoDaddy business email to Gmail, you get the best of both worlds, a professional custom email address paired with Gmail's speed, reliability, and familiar interface. One of the main benefits of linking your GoDaddy email to Gmail is convenience. Instead of switching between multiple email platforms or constantly logging in and out, you can access all your messages from one inbox. Gmail provides tools like labels, filters, automatic replies, and custom signatures that help you organize, prioritize, and respond to emails efficiently. This means you can keep track of client conversations, team communications, and important business updates without missing a single message. Another advantage is mobility. Since Gmail is available on both web and mobile applications, you can check, send, or respond to your business emails wherever you are, whether you're at the office, working from home, or traveling. This ensures that your communication remains professional and timely, which can have a direct impact on client satisfaction and overall business productivity. Beyond convenience, connecting your GoDaddy email to Gmail also enhances your workflow and professional image. Clients, partners, and colleagues will see emails coming from your custom domain, which increases trust and adds credibility compared to using a generic Gmail or Yahoo account. At the same time, Gmail's familiar tools let you manage your messages with ease, apply organizational strategies like color-coded labels, and even set up automated rules to streamline repetitive tasks. In this tutorial, we'll cover everything from checking your GoDaddy account, understanding the different pricing plans for business email, to integrating the email into Gmail. You'll also learn how to manage settings, adjust how emails are stored, and even improve professional communication with Gmail's built-in tools. By the end, you'll have a fully integrated system that combines the professionalism of a GoDaddy business email with the simplicity and power of Gmail, allowing you to handle all your business communications efficiently in one place. The first thing you need to ensure is that you have a GoDaddy account with an active business email. GoDaddy offers a range of business email plans, so depending on your business needs, you might have purchased a basic plan or a more advanced plan that includes extra storage, Microsoft 365 apps, or security features. On the Gmail side, you need a working Gmail account because all the emails will be integrated into it. Once you have both accounts ready, open Gmail and go to the settings by clicking the gear icon at the top right. Then select See All Settings to open the full settings menu. From here, navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. This section allows you to manage multiple email accounts, import emails, and configure sending from different addresses. Scroll down to find the option labeled Check Mail from Other Accounts and click on Add a Mail Account. This is where you will add your GoDaddy business email. Now, you'll need to enter the email address you've purchased from GoDaddy and click Next. This is where Gmail will start connecting to your GoDaddy account. To make this work, you'll need the username and password associated with your GoDaddy email. The username is usually your full email address, and the password is the one you set when creating your account. Gmail will also need the incoming server information, which Gmail can often detect automatically if it recognizes GoDaddy. Before adding the account, it's worth noting that you have several options here. For example, you can choose to import all existing emails from GoDaddy to Gmail so that all your past communication is in one place. You can also select settings like leaving a copy of retrieved messages on the server, always using a secure connection, or labeling incoming emails. These options allow you to maintain organization and security while integrating the emails into Gmail. Let's talk a little about the value of a business email. A professional email, like your name at yourbusiness.com, immediately adds credibility to your business. Clients and partners are more likely to trust communication from a custom domain than from a generic Gmail or Yahoo account. Additionally, business emails often include more storage, better spam filtering, and access to collaboration tools like calendars, Microsoft Office apps, or document sharing, depending on your plan. Speaking of plans, GoDaddy offers several tiers for business emails. The basic plan starts at around $1.99 per user per month if billed annually, giving you essential email capabilities and 10 gigabytes of storage. This is ideal for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs. The next tier, often called the Plus plan, is priced around $5.99 per user per month and offers up to 50 gigabytes of storage, along with additional protections and features to help manage emails more efficiently. The highest tier, sometimes referred to as the Essentials plan, costs around $10.99 per user per month and comes with full collaboration tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint online, plus higher storage and enhanced security options. Choosing the right plan depends on your business size, the volume of emails you handle, and whether you need access to additional productivity tools. Once your email is set up on GoDaddy and linked to Gmail, you can send and receive emails from your business address directly in Gmail. Gmail acts as a centralized hub where you can manage multiple email accounts, organize messages with labels, and access everything on desktop or mobile apps. The process is simple but very powerful. Once you've added your GoDaddy business email to Gmail, you can go into Gmail settings at any time to manage the connection. You can remove the account, change password settings, or adjust how emails are labeled and stored. Additionally, Gmail allows you to set up custom filters, signatures, and automatic replies, which can further enhance your professional communication. Finally, while we're talking about email security, it's always important to protect your communications online. Using a secure connection is crucial, especially when handling sensitive client or business data. One simple way to do this is by using a service like NordVPN. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, keeping your emails, passwords, and business data safe from hackers, especially on public Wi-Fi. If you want to keep your online business communications secure, I highly recommend checking out NordVPN to add an extra layer of protection for all your online activities. If you want to get started with NordVPN and secure your business communications, the link is in the description to check it out.